Yeah, I think we're gonna get a tornado. The lights just flickered.
Holy shit. Look at all this hail.
Yeah, look how much. I hear it destroying the house. Oh my god!
Back away from the window. Back away from the window.
Oh my god!
Window.
Oh my god!
Took my umbrella down. The table with it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, that was intense.
That was crazy. I think I heard it break something. No, that's a fire beat.
I'm scared.
The table.
That'd be a fire snap.
Holy crap.
I mean, yeah, I'm also thinking like, what the frick?
Before this hailstorm, I was just about to upload a video that the sky was so green.
Look at all of the hail on the deck and the pool.
That got so bad.
I hope it doesn't destroy the pool.
I hope it didn't destroy my vintage umbrella.
That'd be
That thing's
bad.
awesome.
I hope it didn't destroy our roof.
Oh.
It probably did.
Oh my god, they're huge. I don't know if you guys can see all those hailstones.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look at this branch just drooping.
I'm scared.
Let's go out front.
Why?